Welcome food travelers to another mini. In this mini, we're sharing our experience staying at the Holiday Inn Express in Vancouver-Metrotown in Burnaby, British Columbia in Canada. So this hotel is a very good location. It's very convenient. It's why I chose this one. It's right across the street from the Metrotown station, and it's also right next to the Metropolis at Metrotown Mall, as well as the Crystal Mall. And there's also a park, really large park nearby the Central Park, and there's a lot of different things you can walk with. It's within walking distance from, and very convenient location. There's also complimentary parking. There's also EV charging on site. Unfortunately, that's not free, so that's something you can get more info from the front desk as you're entering there. It does also include a free breakfast. In addition to the free breakfast, there's also an outdoor pool, and the outdoor pool is open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. at the time of this recording. And there's also complimentary fitness center, which is a gym that is open 24/7 according to the front desk. And the gym is kind of limited. It's on the smaller side. It does have elliptical machines, free weights, and stationary bicycle, and a treadmill. So starting off, the room that we got here is the 2 queens standard top floor, and being the top floor, there's actually only 6 floors in this hotel, so it's pretty small hotel. As you're entering the room, you find yourself with a microwave, a curd machine, and the refrigerator. In the bathroom, you have all your basic amenities with plenty of towels. There's plenty of Kleenex and tissues in here. There's also all the bath soap and hair and conditioner, and also lotion. So one thing I did want to mention is the shower pressure is really great here. Also, the temperature is amazing. It will maintain the temperature that you set for the duration of the shower. Unlike many hotels that I've stayed at, sometimes the temperature will drop and it either becomes lukewarm or gets significantly colder. Moving along here to the closet side, it does have all the amenities you do need with the ironer and ironing board. It also does provide extra hangers for all your jackets and any shirts that you have that needs to be hung up, and it's also slippers. And it does have plenty of storage space there next to this closet space. And underneath the TV, there are more plugs as well as different outlets with USB outlets, and also with normal 120 DC outlets as well. So another thing I did want to point out here is the room feature on the hotel website states that it's blackout shades. I don't quite agree with that. While I was sleeping, I do see a lot of light leaking through the shades. Another thing I want to mention is being so close to the metro station is a perk and also a con in itself. You can hear a lot of noise coming through as well, especially in the morning times and at night with all the cars driving by there at night too. So that is something to be mindful of if you're sensitive to noise or light and you're looking for a good night's sleep. It may not be the most ideal, but it is very convenient in terms of location. Another thing I think they could have improved on was having extra plugs rather than blocking off this wall outlet by the bed corner, rather than just having a centralized bed station in between both beds to plug everything in. Overall, I think this is a great location, located next to that huge Metropolis Mall. Also very convenient location across the street from the Metrotown, right on that Expo line. So if you're looking for something where you don't have to commute by car and you can just commute by train or by foot, this is definitely a great location for that.
If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.